And now, your NBC26 Storm Shield forecast with meteorologist Michael Fish.
Thanks a lot for being with us tonight. Now, we still have plenty of summer in the air because this dew point is still up there. In the middle 60s, it was in the upper 60s before. The only thing kind of saving a lot of us right now, winds coming right off of Lake Michigan. You see it east-northeast at 8, which is keeping our temperature in check, at least in Green Bay, 76 degrees. But the bigger story, of course, the low pressure that's going to be heading right towards Wisconsin again. Very active pattern continues all summer. So this low slowly working its way in. Here's our first batch of showers, but right now they're kind of starting to die a little bit, but they're not making much progress. But they're going to try to work its way into our southwestern counties like Marquette, Green Lake, Waushara counties, maybe Fond du Lac first. But this batch going to kind of die out as it tries to work its way to the north. The main batch is going to be behind it, and that's going to affect most of us as we head through the night. Here we are in the later evening hours going through the overnight. The main batch of showers, maybe a couple rumbles of thunder move on through. Not expecting widespread severe weather with this one. And by tomorrow morning, a couple showers as the low pressure tracks on through. We'll talk more about that in a minute. Let's talk about our high temperatures and how the lake saved us. 77 in Green Bay. We've had that cooler lake breeze going on all day because look just to our south. We've got Chicago, 87 degrees. Now for tomorrow, no, we're not going to get that warm because the warm front really not going to work its way that far north. But it's still going to be a pretty warm, muggy day, kind of like it is right now. We've got 80 in Wapaka, Watoma, see, not being saved by the lake. Appleton, 77, and get closer to the lake, you've got Kewaunee, 70, 71 in Sturgeon Bay. So our wind's kind of doing this right now. And as we head through the night, going to keep us just a little bit cooler by the lake, but the humidity is going to stay up there. With dew points right now, middle 60s, look all around us. We have upper 60s Minneapolis, upper 60s Chicago, 70 in Des Moines. That air is all rolling in here right now. Going to be a muggy night and a muggy day tomorrow as well. So if you don't like humidity, this is kind of a bad hair day for you. So here's a look at satellite and radar. Real easy to see the swirl in the atmosphere. That's the low pressure system, and no, that warm front is going to stay to our south. But still, this low is going to track on through with it, unsettled weather. So here's a look at Skycast by around 9 o'clock. See the main batch of rain trying to work its way into northeast Wisconsin. And we saw that first little batch trying to work its way north. We're going to have to see how it does because it has been showing a little bit of a weakening trend. But either way you cut it, we're going to see rain as we head through the overnight here. And maybe a couple rumbles of thunder that works its way on north. And you see the swirl in the atmosphere. This is going through the day tomorrow. Notice more scattered showers and thunderstorms popping up because of that low pressure in the vicinity. So how much rain out of this for you? This is the latest computer model, and you see kind of a larger general kind of green and blue. That kind of represents around an inch or a little bit less. Under some of the bigger thunderstorms, maybe just a little bit more. But I think a lot of us, this is not going to be a huge rainmaker. So tonight, showers and thunderstorms developing from the south and west. Looks like our better chance the later evening to overnight hours for the rest of us, 58 degrees. As far as tomorrow, 78, scattered showers and thunderstorms, going to be a humid day. So don't be surprised if you see a couple downpours in your neighborhood. They won't last all day. There will be breaks. And then that starts to taper off on Thursday night, kind of a lull on Friday. And Megan, I still have it in. The little chance of a shower on Saturday. Now the model's kind of trended down with that. But that's great for us. So that means a lot of our weekend's going to be okay. But if we'd see a shower right now, it looks like the morning, and even that's just a chance. So most